Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you something very exciting. I'm going to give you an unboxing of the OnePlus 6 Red Edition that has been recently launched. We are also giving away one of the units of the OnePlus 6 Red, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started with the unboxing first. Let's unbox this and show you what's inside, and before that, here's a quick look at the sticker, and as you can see, it clearly mentions red 128GB. This is the red edition. So let's cut through the plastic seals and get inside the box. This variant comes only in 128GB ROM or storage and 8GB RAM variant, and it is approximately 40,000 rupees or 39,999. It is going on sale on 16th of July on Amazon and OnePlus website, and this is how it looks. It's a very elegant shade of red. It's not too bright, it's not too dull. It's just right in terms of intensity of red, and the borders at the side are also red. The button, as you can see, this alert slider is finished in red. The volume rockers, SIM tray, everything is in red, and on the front you can see the border which gives you the red accent, but it is beautifully gelled into the black front of the phone, and this design by OnePlus is also quite prominently visible here. And the fingerprint scanner has also been designed red. To me it looks really beautiful and very elegant. Let me give you a quick comparison next to the other colors that we have with us. So comparing it with other colors side by side, this is the white, the Avenger edition, and you have the mirror black next to it. And all the four colors in the frame, you can see how they look side by side. The red one comes with kind of silverish accents around the camera and the fingerprint scanner, whereas this one has gold, and the other two phones get kind of black accents around the camera and fingerprint scanner. So they all look slightly different from each other, and as you can see, they all look quite elegant. The red has a very sophisticated elegance to it. The shimmer here is very good. It does not look like a proper glass, but it is actually proper glass. This is Gorilla Glass 5. It's very strong and tough as well. It looks very rich, whereas the white is kind of a shimmery pearl finish. The Avengers is glossy, and this mirror black is quite shiny. So it's up to you which one you like the better. It's quite subjective. Now coming to the giveaway, how do you participate and enter the contest to win one of the OnePlus 6 Red Edition? To participate, you have to follow these 4 simple rules mentioned in the description section as well, and there are all relevant links provided in the video description as well. Rule number 1 is follow OnePlus India on Instagram. The links are provided below. Rule number 2, subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video with your friends on any of your social media platform. Rule number 3, you have to leave a comment in the comment section below. Mention your Instagram handle so that we can verify that you have followed the said Instagram account, and also tell us what do you like about the OnePlus 6 Red. And rule number 4, this step is actually optional. You can follow me on Twitter as well as Instagram, where I keep announcing giveaways and winners for the giveaways. The links are provided in the description as well. And that is it. It's very simple and easy. Go ahead and participate. All the best to you. I hope you win this OnePlus 6 Red Edition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you press the bell icon to get the latest notifications whenever we make live a new video. This is all we have on this one. Thanks for watching. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thank you.